You are going to love the 2020 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.